This is the most subs I have gained in any other country.
In Africa.
Morocco, wait, ever?
In Africa.
Yeah, in Africa. This is the most subs I have gained in Africa. Holy crap, W Morocco in the chat, bro. I'm about to start a wave in a minute, though. We about to hit 49.6. Let's go, here we go. So happy, bro. $49.6, baby. We almost there. W stream though, bro, I ain't gonna lie. 49.6, let's go, Morocco. We gained 300,000 subscribers today. 300. Let's make it 400. Like, nah, 300,000. Wait, they can low-key beat the record. They can low-key beat the record. This is the second. This is like, in all time, this is second, I think. No. I think it's like third of all time.